Hello! In this tutorial video, you will learn how to upload and manage your own tools in MachiningCloud's inventory system for streamlined machining operations. From the home page, access my inventory through my workshop. To add an item to your inventory, select Add Item. Use the drop-down where it shows brand and select Other from the bottom of the list. Now add your own brand name and part number. Also select what inventory you would like to add the item to. Add a quantity here if needed. Select OK once this is done and select Yes to add data for your item. Upload a P21 data file. P21 data files can be downloaded from most manufacturers' websites. The same goes for the anti-collision models and rendered models. You can also upload a 2D drawing, a 3D image, and a 2D image, if you have them available. Add a designation, description, grade, coding, and a workpiece material if you wish. This will help identify the tool when searching later. Hit OK when you are done. You are now able to use this tool to quickly and easily create a new tool assembly using items from other manufacturers, as you can see here. You are also able to now search for the uploaded tool using the filters. Just select Other from the brand drop-down in the Filters section. Making sure you are able to select the right tool for your application. This feature helps streamline your workflow by keeping all your tooling data centralized and easily accessible. Thank you for watching. For more tips, check out our other tutorials.